Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you a best stock management plugin for your WooCommerce store. Okay, so suppose you have a WooCommerce store and you want to manage all the stocks, and if you have so many products in that WooCommerce store, so managing stock one by one is very difficult. So I will show you a plugin which is the best stock management plugin in the market, and with the help of that you can manage the stocks of your products easily and fast without wasting any time. Let's start the video, and I'm going to show you that plugin. Okay, so for installing that plugin you should have a store like this. Okay, so you can see that I have a store here. So it's a dummy store which I have made using the extra theme. Okay, so for demonstrating purpose. Okay, so here you can see that I have so many products. If I go to the everything, so here I will find all the products here. So like here you can see that I have this type of stocks. So suppose if you have this type of product and you want to update all the stocks at once. Okay, and if you want to manage the stocks very easily, so right now if you want to manage the stock, you have to go to the WooCommerce. So let's go to the default option what we have in the WooCommerce default. Okay, so let me show you that first, and after that I will show you that plugin how you can manage the stocks by using that plugin. Okay, so here you can see that we have all these products. Suppose I want to manage the stocks, and so for managing the stocks what I have to do, you can also go here and then open this in a new tab. So suppose I want to update the stocks value. Okay, so let's update the stocks value. So for that you have to go to the inventory, and here you can manage the stock. Suppose I have this product of stock track stock quantity. So suppose I have this product in stocks this much. Okay, and here you can also have the low stock option. So when the product goes to 5 stocks, so you will have the notification by email that your stock is low. Then you can go here and you can update the stocks. Okay, so this is the process if you want to manually update all the stocks one by one, but this is the lengthy process. Also you can choose the bulk edit option, but that option is not very switchable. Sometime it don't work. I have tried many times. So let me show you the bulk option also, which comes from the default WordPress. So we have to go here. Suppose if you want, so here you can see that we have this stock value at 20 because we have just updated the values to this. Okay, so now suppose if you want to manage the stocks like this, so let me choose these two, and you can go to the edit option, and after that you have to just click on apply. Okay, so here you can see that you can manage the stocks from here also. So you have to just choose here in stock. Okay, and then you can have this stock. So stock quantity, here you can enter the stock quantity to 20. Okay, so sometime it don't work, so let's update, and after updating let's see that stock is updated or not. So if I go here and in the bulk edit, after doing the bulk edit you can see that we have updated the stocks. Okay, so this is one more method, but sometimes this don't work, especially with the variable product. Okay, so let me show you a plugin. So the name of the plugin is ATUM inventory. I have already installed it. So if you want to install, you have to go to the plugin section, and from the plugin section you have to choose the add plugin, and here you have to just search for stock management, and when you search it, it will show you the list of some plugins. So you can see that at first only you will get this plugin, ATUM WooCommerce inventory management in stock by stock management labs. Okay, so after installing, it will come here. So let's go to the dashboard, and if you go to the dashboard you can see that there are this type of dashboard will come. So it will show some add-ons here. So if you want you can read it. So right now you can see that it will say you all the statics, sales and products. So it will show you that. Also you can see that here we have the sales option, lost sale, order, promo sales. Okay, and here you can see that we have the stock control, current stock value, this much. So you will see all of this detail in this manner also. Okay, so this is very useful plugin. You can see that you can have your all the stock management here in the dashboard. So now we have to go to the stock central. So here if I go to the stock central, So let's go to the stock central, and where you can update all your stocks. So currently you can see that I don't want to try it, bro. So here you can see that you can filter it by all categories. Here you have so much categories, but I largely filter it by simple product and then variable product. Okay, so this makes easy to add the stocks. So currently you can see that we have this type of things. So we have set the stocks only for this product 20 and 20 because we have set it manually. But with the use of this plugin, what you can do, you can just go to this, and here you can add the SQ value. If you have barcode supplier, you can set all of these things here only. Okay, so this is the power of this plugin. So right now you can see that we have dark brown shoes, but here you can see that the stocks are not written. So we can click on this. Okay, so I think this is not working because you have to just enable list. So I think we have to go here, and let's see, go to the top. Here you can see the bulk action, enable WC manager stocks. So let's apply action. Okay, so sometimes so we have this option here. So right now you can see that we have this. Now if I go here, I can update the stocks here. Okay, so in this way I can update the stocks here 20, and how much stock you can allowed means, so let's keep it here 5. So whenever the stock goes 5, you will get notified. Okay, so you can see that you can manage here, but for that, and then you have to just save it here. But for that, what you have to do, you have to just choose all, and then let's remove this 3 one, and then you have to go to the bulk action. Then from here enable WC manage stock and apply bulk action. Okay, so after doing that, you can manage all of the stocks from here. Okay, so you have to do this first for all your products. Now you can see that we have this option. Now you can update the stocks value here like 20. Okay, then you can update the how much at stock you want the notification. Okay, so in this way you can edit here, and then you have to, and you can also add these all values. Okay, so you can see that this is a very useful plugin for managing the stock. So let's save this one, and also now I will show you how you can add the stocks of the variable product. So you have to just go to the variable from here, and after going to the variable product, you can see that we have these things here. Here you can see that if I click on this, we are getting all the values, like all the variable which we have inside this variable product. So here you can see that we can add the threshold value here similarly. Okay, so you can add this value, and this will not work because we have to activate this. Okay, like that. Okay, so here you can update all of this value, and then if you click on this, it will minimize it. Okay, so these are all the variable product, and similarly first you have to do the bulk action here, and enable WC manager stock for this. Okay, then after that you can update all of this. Okay, so I hope you understand, and after that you have to just click on this save. Okay, so from here you can manage all your stocks. You can also search it here, like how much are the out of stock. If you click, it will show you out of stock value here. Okay, then you can go in the in stock all of these things. Okay, and you can also search it here according to product names. You have to just choose the product name, and then here search it for, it will show you all the products. Okay, so this thing is there, and now let me show you what are these options. Here you can see that we have the purchase order, so all the orders will show here. Okay, so you can also manage that inbound stock, supplier inventory logs. Here you can see all the logs detail. Okay, so whenever you have the orders, it will show it here. And if I go to the settings, you will find so many settings here. So you can go through all of these settings, like here you can see the enable admin bar menu. You can go through all of the settings, out of stock threshold per product. Okay, so these are all the values. You can just go one by one, and here you can see that we have this type of things, how much profit, and enable filter. Also you can see that there are so many options. You can go one by one. If you go to the visual settings, here you can choose the field, which field and colors you want to show. Like if you want to show the dark mode of this, you can just choose it here, dark mode. If you want to have the dark mode, you can just click on this, and it will show you all the dark mode. Okay, and similarly you can go to the tools option, and here you can see that all the things are there. Okay, so this is a very useful plugin. I have started using this plugin because this plugin is very useful. Here you can see that how many available column you want to show. so you can control all of these things also. Okay, so this free plugin is giving us so much things. Okay, so I hope you understand how to use this stock central plugin. Okay, so you can see that this is now dark mode and this is really looking good. Okay, so in this way you can manage all the stocks of your WooCommerce at one place by using this ATUM inventory management plugin. Okay, so please subscribe to our channel. If you're new to our channel, we make regularly videos on WordPress, React.js, Elementor websites. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, you can share this video with your friends. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos with your friends. And I'm gonna see you next time.